early. Unless you skip a page early. Okay, so what we're doing today is, in our story, Naked Mole Rat Gets Stressed. We had some problems, didn't we? So tell me, a problem is, well, you tell me what the problem is, because you guys know what a problem is, right? Things like aren't going the right way, right? Or you're stuck. Okay, so what is the problem in the Naked Mole Rat Gets Stressed? Ethan. He wants to wear clothes. But what do the other naked mole rats say?
No.
What do they say, Jacob?
He said, can't wear clothes.
Yeah, they say, can't wear clothes. You're a naked mole rat. You're not supposed to be wearing clothes. That's just not right. So that was his problem, okay? So what we're going to do is, for our problems, is draw the problem. So we're going to draw him, okay? Let's draw him maybe with a sad face. Okay, and we'll draw him maybe looking, I'm trying to see if we can find a page maybe, where everyone's getting mad at him, right, going, yuck, ew, oh, what are you doing, right? And they're all getting mad at him. So, here he is, and he's saying, you know, well, if you like clothes so much, why don't you open up a store, right? So that was another problem that he started having, because then he tried to sell the clothes, and they said, that's it, we're going to Grandpa, okay? And we're going to go talk to him about this situation, all right? So the problem is, nobody wanted him to wear the clothes, right? So let's see, we did practice drawing him the other day. So let's see if we can draw him, okay? But in the top box, this is our problem. Okay, so we're going to try to draw Wilbur, right? Okay, we're going to draw him with, you know, maybe a really sad, confused looking face, okay? So let's see if we can do it. So remember his face, it's kind of like a long rectangle. Okay, if I leave that opening there for the bottom. Draw his ears. His two eyes. His nose. Oh yeah, we'll get those big teeth in there in a minute. There he is. So it's almost like the front cover is actually a good, it's kind of showing him looking at the clothes like, oh, should I wear them, should I not? He's so confused, right? Okay, so let's add his 3 lines, right? And then we'll add the feet. We have to add that long tail. Add a rectangle on the front here for his long teeth. And draw a line down the middle. So I'm going to draw his arm kind of coming up over here. Just like this, where he's kind of like holding up, you know, a shirt. Kind of deciding, you know, should I wear it, should I not wear it? What's that? That's why I'm drawing it, yes, so you can draw the same thing. I'm trying to help you. Just draw it similar, it doesn't be exactly the same, okay? But here he is, and he's sitting here like, oh, I don't know, what should I do? Should I wear the clothes? Should I not? We're looking at him like he's very sad and confused, right?
Where's his mouth?
He doesn't really, I mean, his mouth is kind of like where his teeth and stuff are. So I'm going to write, if you want to fit any of these words, we can say here, maybe he's sad. Okay. Confused. If you want to write either of those words, sad, confused, okay? He doesn't know what to do because he wants to wear the clothes, but everyone's telling him he can't. So this is a big problem, a very big problem. We're not coloring anything, we're just drawing. Drawing our best, right? Very good, guys. Good. Very good, very great. Keep it in the box. Okay. So try to write at least one of those words, sad, We're confused. Sad's a short one, S-A-D. Just write one of those words in the box, up the top box there, okay?
I just draw both of them.
Oh, that's fine. Yep, that's fine. Now, let me ask you this. When you have a problem, do you just want to keep the problem there forever?
No.
No. What do you try to do when you have a problem? Oh, we raise our hands because we don't shout out. Here you go. Okay, what do we do when we have a problem, Madeline? We try to fix it, right? We try to come up with a solution. Say that word. Solution. Okay, so what is the solution to the problem? Riley.
He's trying. The automaking robot can't. Sad he cannot wear clothes, but it's his choice if he can wear it or not.
Exactly. So at the end, who did he go to though again? What, right?
Grandpa Moab.
Yes, we went with Grandpa, right? And Grandpa Moab even came out wearing clothes. And he said, wow, if I would have tried these on before, I didn't realize how much I would like them. So he says, does it hurt anybody to wear the clothes? No, it doesn't hurt anybody. And it's just your own opinion, right? So at the very end, the solution is, oh, careful, that Grandpa says, you know what, go ahead, do what you want to do. Let me just find that last picture here at the end. Okay, oh, sorry. So they're all grabbing clothes. So here he is with the store, right? And now he gets to sell the clothes. And not everyone wants to still wear them. Some people say, no, I don't want to wear the clothes. It doesn't feel right. But a lot of people now are starting to buy the clothes, right? So the solution was that now Grandpa says, you can do what you want. Okay? All right, so what do you think we could draw here?
A store.
Maybe a store? That's a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
Should we draw the store?
Yeah.
Okay. So here is the clothing store. So at the top it says clothes. So write that word clothes at the top. Clothes. And then you can almost put like a big rectangle around it. That's a sign. Clothes, right? Okay, George, are you working on this? Don't worry. It's fine. So there's this clothing store. All right, and there's a big archway here opening up. You want to do that. And there he is at the counter. And people are coming up. Okay. And he's got all these railings. And he's got shirts. He's got ants hanging there. Alright, he's got more pants. So we won't draw him in there because I know it's a lot of work to try to draw him again. So we're just going to draw the clothing store with all the different clothes there, right? They're hanging and they're hanging up. Maybe there's some socks there. If you want to draw them, that's fine. There's some socks sitting on the counter. Okay? So just draw the clothing store. So at the end, the solution was, Grandpa said, hey, you can wear them if you want. You don't have to though, right, Evelyn? Evelyn?
Yep.
Sit. Maybe we should share. Alright, we'll just draw that clothing store to show that, yeah, he can wear the clothes now. Grandpa was okay with it. So Grandpa made everyone realize it doesn't matter, it doesn't hurt anybody, so let's not make a big fuss over it, right? Okay, very good. So that is our solution.